Jorts. Honestly, I'd been wanting this pair of jorts for like a year and I finally got them. Google star jorts, you'll find them. These ones are from Alfred Eden, but a lot of different online stores sell them. But I'm gonna style them. And also, these ones which are kind of crazy. I think I like them. I can't quite tell, honestly. I like how long they are. I think I wish the fabric was a heavier denim because it's quite thin. FYI, normally I wear a size 32 and I got these in a size 34 so that they would fit on my hips more so. And I'm glad I sized up with these. I was checking to see if you'd be able to see my feet. Is it too dark over here? It seems kind of too dark. Wait, that's in the frame? How did I not notice that? Clothing tags on the floor. My room is a wreck right now. I refuse to put clothing away. Hello, internet. One thing I will say about these shorts is the seams are pretty scratchy. The boxers are kind of a necessity. I've had this belt for several years. It's from ASOS. The brand says Weekday, and it's pleather, and I've never had a problem with that, but I did wear it in a rainstorm recently and it deteriorated so quickly. Like, I've had this for so long and it's been like fine condition, and then like suddenly now it's like flopping all over the place and it's like cracked and stuff. It's sad for me. I love this shirt with a passion. Shoes. Doc Martens, question mark? I never tie my shoes in my like little outfit videos, or like if I can avoid it, I don't. Sometimes I get comments that are being like, someone needs to teach you how to tie your shoes. I'm always calculating whether or not I'm gonna fall over when I do my little spins and stuff. I feel like I wouldn't go for the white socks with this, but white socks are my only clean socks right now. So in case you haven't noticed, I'm getting comfortable talking again. So we're a little weird today, that's why. It's also the morning. I'm not used to talking in the morning in general. I just like don't, it's just not my thing. My whole family is like that too. It takes me a while to turn it on. This is Jort's outfit number 1. I guess I could put on my sunglasses and my headphones. You'll see how ripped apart my headphones are. Sometimes the little like bits will come off and get stuck to my neck. Sunglasses on, headphones on, I'm invincible. It's like horse blinders, honestly. People keep okay, this is something I can talk about. People keep commenting on, I think like an outfit similar to this, or this outfit, that I look like Billie Eilish. I swear to God, people will see a gender non-conforming person in like a big t-shirt and they'll be like, Billie Eilish. I'm wearing a big t-shirt. Is that what you're talking about? Was her hair my hair color at some point? Is it that right now? I got this fancy controller from my Switch and I'm very excited. I think I'm gonna play a game later on this. Look at it. It's so ergonomic. This top is from Target. I mean, this is kind of cute. These two together, but I said I would style the other ones, so. I'm gonna go with my spiky shoes. I love these shoes. They're from Disturbia. They're spiky. You can't see the Velcro strap right now, but it says Disturbia on them. These also were in the rainstorm that destroyed my belt. See, the thing about these shorts, can't tell if they just like look ridiculous or if they're like kind of fashion. Also, these back pockets are fake, which I feel like is not okay. I have this belt that is from Tunnel Vision, but the grommets don't go all the way because I got the smaller size and I didn't know that would happen. So I put a bunch of hair clips, little dangly charms. Works out for the best. That wouldn't have happened otherwise, so. Spiky. Some of the spikes were pointed out my neck and I didn't notice. I guess this also. Ta-da! I feel like if I do an outfit edit with these shorts, this will be the outfit. I definitely feel like a really long rectangle. Like I'm just giving rectangle right now, which I'm kind of always giving rectangle. I've never been into the sort of like classifying your body shape as like a fruit, but I did hear someone say banana is one body type. Is this little shirt big pants? Is that what this is? I feel like this could qualify. I've been wearing this like every day. It's just like my comfy inside shirt now. I'm not beating the Billie Eilish allegations. I feel like I would get it with this one though, because she does wear these like huge shorts. What's the name of the little blobby guy? Eloche? I just dug that out of the crevices of my mind. I don't know if that's right, but it's also giving like Eloche vibes. That's all I can give you on the jorts front. I hope I gave you some inspo. Jorts are in. What wardrobe basic should I style next is the question. Also, if you're a YouTube subscriber who doesn't know this right now, my Instagram is blowing up. I gained like 50,000 followers this month. Actually more than that, but we don't need to brag. If you like me, you might want to follow me on Instagram. That's all I'm going to say. And if you're from Instagram, hi, this is me talking. I'm kind of shy at this point because there's so many more people in my sphere than there used to be, so I need to get used to it again. Like, subscribe, all that business. I will see you in the next one.
for you.